Let me do the math for you guys. My dad is 50% black, my mom is 100% white, and somehow I came out negative 10% black? What the? This is some bullshit. I'm 110% Caucasian. And it's a voice and a couple other things. Maybe one or two here or there. We got an Amber Alert? Who's missing? Fuck them kids, right? That's the theme of the night. Turn your damn Amber Alerts off there in 9 cents. I don't care about that little shit. Is that just your ringtone? My mom's calling. Get out of here. Oh, tornado warning? Yeah. Well, we get those every other Tuesday. I don't give a shit. Don't lock Daryl's doors. You guys will want access points at every side of this building when this show lets out. You know what? I'm glad I got to spend my last night with you guys here. Let's just see how this turns out. I'm not getting off this damn stage. I don't care if Hurricane Regina comes through. What letter are they on now? Harvey?